Hi guys, SV Brickshop here. In this video I will demonstrate how to part out and upload a Lego set into your Bricklink store using Brickstore. First step is we click on the Bricklink set inventory. Here we're gonna enter the set number, which for this video will be 71811, the Aaron's Ninja off-road buggy car. The quantity will be 1, the condition is new, the extra parts will be marked as extra. We are not going to include the instructions, and we are not going to part out the minifigs. Press import, close this. Now we have an overview of every part in this set. As you can see here at the top, the set consists of 126 lots and 266 items. Mind you, we have not consolidated the items yet. So we click somewhere in the overview and we press Ctrl A, so we select them all. Right click and we choose consolidate items. We're going to use the same options to consolidate all lots, so we click on it. These settings are, I'm not gonna touch those, so press finish, and now the extra parts are consolidated with the same parts in the set. Now we're gonna add a price, so we click somewhere again, press again Ctrl A, and we choose set price to guide, or the hotkey is Ctrl G. We're gonna keep it at last 6 months sales average, and if there is no price guide data available, it will mark the part with a red marker on the lot. We press OK, and we get the message prices of the selected items have been updated to the price guide values. Press OK again, and as you can see, every part, every minifig has gotten a price conform the prices on the Bricklink market 6 months average sales. At the top here we can see, after consolidating the items, the item count is the same, but the lot count is less because we of course consolidated. This set will total over 80 euros. So what we're gonna do now is add, we're gonna part out the set, and we're gonna choose storage locations for the different parts. I'm not gonna do them all of them, but just a few, so you can see how this works. So in the column remarks, you can add in the storage location. Let's say the minifigs, we're gonna put them in 0001, 0001, 001, 0001, and these parts we'll put them in 0002, and these as well. You get the picture. When you're physically sorting out and storing the parts in your store, everything gets a number, or you can scan it in with a barcode if you have that kind of technology in your store. So basically up to you how you name it, how you do it, but this is just for instructional reasons we're doing this. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna upload our parts list into the Bricklink store. So we click somewhere again, and once again Ctrl A to select all. This is very important, because if you only select one item, it will only upload one item. Yeah, so make sure that everything that you want to upload to your store is selected. Next, we choose this icon, the export icon, and we're going to choose Bricklink mass upload XML to clipboard. So when we click on it, it takes us to the next window, which is Bricklink itself, the mass store inventory upload window. So here in the clear window, we're gonna press Ctrl V because Brickstore copied the XML file to our clipboard, which makes it now very easy. Just press Ctrl V or paste the XML file into this window. I choose new price and new tier pricing. The bulk amount stays the same with me because I don't use bulk amounts. Usually I do some kind of sale, so I update these lots with the existing prices. Choose no remarks, and the rest I don't really touch. When we've all done that, click verify file, and this gives you another overview of all the parts and pieces that you are going to load up. Please also notice that the remarks or the storage locations that we added in Brickstore is also here depicted. So to upload now, we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see how many items in how many unique lots we are uploading and for what amount of euros or dollars or whatever your currency is. And the next step is to upload the file. I'm not gonna do it because I don't physically own the set, and it would it would mess up my my inventory. So there we have it. I hope you found this video interesting, and see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.